Start over. Directions.
Say hello. Hashtag let's make soup wars.
Oh, brother.
Come on.
Let's make soup wars.
There you go.
Lori's making me do this.
Because nobody else is entering. So it's going to be just Mom and me, apparently. We're going to make soup. We're going to have soup wars.
Don't we have enough wars around this house
No.
without adding soup to it?
No, we have to have soup wars, too.
Okay. Put contents of bag in crock pot with 8 cups of water. Add 9 carrots. Do we have any carrots?
Add 3 carrots.
3 carrots.
2 stalks of celery.
Say I need my other glasses on so I can read this thing.
Yes, I'll get you the carrots.
My question is, yeah, okay.
And the
or
celery.
Veggies of your choice. Add 1 ham hock. Cook for 4 hours on high, 4 hours on low. Remove meat from bone and return to soup. Make 6 to 8 servings. Ingredients: rice, beans, red pepper, lentils, peas, dried onions, veggies, something, sulfite, spices, chicken soup base, spice.
So, not quite homemade, but close. Here.
I don't want it. I can't do things at once. Company.
Oh, you can't remember that for 3 minutes while you finish putting your soup together?
You already did it.
Well, I did. I put that in there. That's just the water and the beans and stuff. What else are you supposed to do, Mom?
You're supposed to tell him about where we got the beans.
I don't know where the heck we got the beans. Where'd we get the beans?
I thought you grew them in your garden.
No, that was a packaged soup mix, Mom.
I thought you were making, with everything else you're doing, since you don't have very much else to do in the middle of the night, I thought you were making your own packages of beans to sell.
You did you?
Down at the local meat market. So I could go and buy them so you could make soup.
Oh, yeah, no, you thought wrong.
I thought wrong.
Yeah.
Okay. What else am I supposed to
Okay,
add?
so you're going to throw in that jar of carrots that I've already opened and drained.
The whole jar?
Yep, put the whole thing in there. That's about 3 carrots worth.
Oh, look at...
So scrape them out with a spoon. See if you can actually get them.
There's one on the outside. There's some on the lid.
Okay, get them too.
Okay.
Okay, and then you want some celery.
How much celery?
I put a couple handfuls in.
My hand's a different size than your hand. My hand's older than your hand too.
Mm-hmm.
It's all wrinkly. 1, 2.
Perfect.
That tastes like celery.
So weird. That would taste like celery. What's in it?
Celery.
Celery.
Let's see, what does it say? Yep, that's the ingredient.
That's the ingredient, celery. Okay.
Nothing else added.
Good.
Oh, there's vitamin D and calcium in here.
Yeah, but those are in the celery, Mom. They're not
That doesn't
added.
matter. Snack from the can. I did that. Mix into chicken salad. I'm not doing that. Cook in stir fry. That's for you the next time you do stir fry. Okay.
Okay, so push everything down into the water.
Everything is in the water. Oh, there's a little tiny piece over there.
Okay.
This is ridiculous.
And now, put your lid on.
Isn't there supposed to be some sort of magic way to do this?
Yeah. See this?
Yes.
Lines up with this.
Okay.
Okay? And twist it.
Now it's not lined up anymore.
It's still in there, though.
Okay.
Now, make sure this is set to sealed.
You know, I'm not going to remember this, and I'm not ever going to do it again.
You might have to do it again.
My whole lifetime.
Okay, so pressure cook.
Did you seal it?
I did.
Okay. Pressure cook. I can't read this. I got the wrong glasses on. Okay, pressure cook.
Go up to half an hour.
Where's
Use the plus sign.
half an hour.
Actually, go up to 40 minutes. Okay, and that's it.
Don't I have to hit start?
Nope.
You mean it's already started?
Yep.
It's doing it without me?
It's doing it without you.
Great.
There you go.
Come on. That's easy.
Yeah.
Wow.
See, you're a soup maker.
I might have to learn something about this.
This is fabulous, Mom. I tell you what, I don't know if you haven't been watching the videos of me cooking with this thing,
but I haven't paid a whole lot of attention to that part. When you put the meat in.
It's in. Oh, it's not in. Cancel. Open your lid.
Away from you.
Away from you.
I do remember seeing that part on
Put your
there.
meat in. And I have rinsed that. That's just a ham hock. I have rinsed it. I rinse it to get a lot of the salt off because ham hocks are notoriously salty.
Okay.
Okay.
Line it up over there.
Till it drops. There you go.
Turn it. Push something.
No, just make sure this is back here to vent or to sealed.
Okay. That's it.
That's it. And then pressure cook.
Pressure cook.
And it should your time
40
should already be
minutes.
set.
It is.
So you're good to go.
Okay.
You can come back in 40 minutes. Well, actually, it'll be more like an hour and a half because it takes time to get up to pressure. Mm-hmm. And then once it reaches pressure, it starts counting down your 40 minutes. And then you have to give it time to release pressure. And then you can come and take the meat off the bone.
You're not really going to make this into a video, are you?
I am. It's going to be a mom video. Because Mom is now a cook.
Oh, no, Mom isn't. Mom is not a cook.
Mom has to cook once a week.
That's it.
That's it. This is her cooking for the week. I decided to make it easier on her.
Here's my other cooking for the week.
Oh, yeah.
See?
Brownies.
That's how I cook.
She is responsible for cooking dinner one day a week, though. And she doesn't have to cook it. She can buy it or whatever, but...
Which is what I often do.
Which is what she often does.
Simple to
or
me.
something simple like soup.
Like soup. Okay.
I don't know what she's doing. She's supposed to be making soup. So, this has dropped all on its own. It's cooked for its 40 minutes. It has dropped its pressure. And here comes Mom. Oh, I thought she was coming this way. She's doing something.
It's time to feed the cats.
Oh, okay.
I can't do soup.
You can't do soup?
No, I'm feeding the cats.
So I have to do soup.
You have to do soup. Well, look, is this cat food that was sitting there, is it any good? I'm going to dump it and start over.
All right. I guess I'm gonna do soup.
What are you going to do to it?
Well, don't you want to know?
Nope.
Actually, all I'm going to do to it is I'm going to open this up. I'm going to take the meat out. I'm going to let it cool for a little while. And then I'm going to put this on to slow cook for the rest of the time until dinner time. So.
Oh, well, that sounds easy enough. If I wasn't so busy feeding the cats, I could do that.
Yeah, if she wasn't so busy feeding the cats. I could wait.
Okay. I want to complain to all my worldwide viewers about how you didn't let me make the soup.
How I didn't let you make the soup?
Right, right.
I don't think that's quite how it went.
We didn't tell them that we get those bean things from that place in Ladysmith.
Boma Meats?
Yeah.
Not anymore.
We get the soup things, don't we?
Is that where that came from?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They have good packages. Do you
Okay.
have
Well, I don't know. I haven't tasted this one yet.
You're going to make me taste
I'm going to make you taste it for you and Dave, both of yous, before I taste it.
Chicken. You're such a chicken.
Well, I didn't decide the flavors for this.
Oh, I just bought 3 packages of that soup mix.
Which soup mix?
That stuff they had at Boma Meats.
Oh.
That stuff. I can't taste it yet because it's hot.
Okay. Well, tell a story.
Tell a story.
Mm-hmm.
Back many years ago, I was born. You want to hear my life story?
And then what happened?
You want to hear my life story?
Was it a dark and stormy night?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, I think it was the middle of the afternoon. Anyway, when Lori was 2 years old, she was the first streaker in our neighborhood.
Oh, of course she was.
She was so cute.
So adorable.
She stripped off all of her clothes and went running down the street.
Woohoo!
Yeah, it was a very interesting time.
Entertaining. That was the 60s. Everybody was doing it.
Yeah, about that. Were you 2 in the 60s?
Would have been
I guess you were.
65. I would have
Yeah.
been 2.
Yeah, about then. I like it. It's a tiny bit oily. Would that be from the meat?
Maybe.
Is this a real carrot or a fake carrot?
It's a real
Or a
carrot.
frozen carrot? Or
It's a
flash
canned
dried?
carrot.
It's a canned carrot. One of your very own canned carrots?
Yes, one of my very...
Yeah.
I didn't grow it, though.
Oh, you didn't?
No.
Well, then it's no good.
Oh, well, spit it out then.
I haven't put it in yet.
Oh, okay. Go ahead and try it.
I don't think spitting it out would be very nice.
It wouldn't.
Tastes like a carrot.
Imagine that.
It's pretty good, actually.
Is it?
I think I like that combination,
Okay.
but I like the other combinations we get from there, too, so...
Yeah.
maybe.
Not too salty.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, off you go.
Okay.
Do you want some crackers or
No, thank you.
no?
No
Okay.
crackers. I'm good.
All right.
It's awful soupy.
It's called soup.
It's awful soupy.
Because it's called soup, honey. Hashtag let's make soup wars.
It's awful soupy. I want thicker soup. So,
All right, we'll taste it. Ah!
you're glad I crunch those up. Ah,
Look, here's a little crunched one.
that's all I get up.
A little one, little crunched one. Oh, you can-
What are you doing?
I'm opening it.
Very well.
Oh,
Okay, I tasted it.
oh, how did it taste?
It tastes like soup.
What kind of soup?
Thin soup.
Thin soup. What thin soup? Do you want me to thicken it up?
No, not now.
Okay. Is it as good as mine? Is it better than mine?
I don't know, it's good.
Good.
It's better than some of that stuff we've had.
Those
Right?
packaged soups, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Well, I haven't tasted it. I wanted you guys to taste it first.
What is that anyway?
Well, if it's really yucky, I don't want to eat it. I have to be very careful not to spill. What does that look for?
Well, if it's poison, I want to eat it.
That's right. If it's poison, I don't want to eat it.
God.
So I need you to taste it first.
Yeah, I already tasted it.
And it's okay?
No. No, the other guy will come in and taste it.
Mom tasted it, and she's still alive.
How do you know? You checked?
I can see her.
Well, she's not sitting in her chair. All right. What tastes better with bread?
I'm not sure if you caught that at the very end, but Dave said would have been better with some bread, which is funny because I had said I was going to make bread, and then I ended up chatting with my sister for an hour and a half instead while the soup was cooking. So the bread never got made, and they didn't want to wait any longer. I told them it'd be at least an hour and a half or so to make bread. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Hashtag Let's Make Soup Wars. Nobody has entered yet except for me and Mom now. So, I guess, I don't know, like I'm trying to give away a piece of art, but, you know, if nobody wants it, nobody wants it. I'm still trying. We have until December 21st, so you have time, but hey, get on it. No. I shouldn't say stuff like that. That's just not mean. I mean, that's just mean. 2 minutes before the premiere starts for Moody, the Moody artist. That's my shout out for today. I'm sure I've shouted her out before, but I just wanted to do it again because she is a fabulous supporter, and she just got monetized. She has like almost 2,000 subscribers, but she always finds time to pop in and say hello, and I just love that. So I'm going to give her another shout out today. You can see I've got the premiere getting ready to run up here. I also have it on the computer in front of me. Premieres in 60 seconds. So I'm going to close this off. I'm going to say goodbye. I'm going to say thanks for watching. I'm going to say get your entries in for hashtag Let's Make Soup Wars and win a piece of my art. Don't make me give it to Mom. She knows she's going to make me custom make her something. So I'd much rather custom make something for you, or of course you can choose from any one of the pieces. I need to put a video up of all of the art that I have that you can choose from. So anyway, I'm going to say goodbye. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.